Welcome back to Future CAD/CAM Design. Today in CATIA V5 we are going to see how to design a part modeling. So in start, choose mechanical design, and inside mechanical design choose part design. So we will give the part name here part 2. So part modeling has been opened. So we need to select a plane and then we need to enter into the sketch. So here in this model, at first we will draw this circular portion and then we will extrude and then we will draw other features. So I will select now here top plane and then sketch. So we will draw two circles. So you can see the center orientation point. So draw two circles on the center point. So give the dimensions. So just double click your dimension, a pop-up window will open, you need to give the dimension. So I am giving 56 mm, my first circle. So here you can see we have two dimensions, 56 and 32 diameter. So 56 already I have drawn, next is 32 diameter, I need to draw one more circle. So two circles has been drawn and then we need to draw this cut portion. For 6 mm at one side we need to draw a cut portion. So for that, so at first I will draw the line. So we will make a line at center and then I will change it as a construction line. And then we will offset these lines. Just select offset option. Top side you can able to see the offset on the both sides. So click the center line, so two lines will be offset on both the sides. So using tab button we can able to give the offset distance. I will give 3 mm. So both the direction from center 3 mm the offset will be obtained. So and then we need to erase the unwanted sketches. So I will use here now erase option, double click the erase option and trim the unwanted sketches. So after trimming the unwanted sketches, we need to make exit workbench. So just choose the option exit workbench and we will extrude our first sketch. So we need to extrude this sketch for 56 mm. So now we came back to part modeling. So now here we will use extrude option. Extrude option, we will give the dimension here in length 56 and then we will check preview and then click OK. So next thing we are going to draw other section. So here you can able to see for 90 mm from the center point of the circle 90 mm the one more rectangle is coming. So here now we will make a plane for 90 mm from the center plane. So we will choose center plane and then we will use the dimension 90. So 90 mm. So a new plane has been created for 90 mm dimension from the center plane. So now we will choose that plane and we will enter into sketch option. So here now we need to draw other half section of our part model. You can able to see here we need to draw now a rectangle for 24 into 48 mm. So I will take a rectangle and then I will draw here. So now I will give dimension 24 mm height and And then for horizontal line also we need to give dimension. I will give the dimension for that also. So I will give dimension 48 mm and then okay. So but the rectangle is not at center, so we will make dimension for center plane and our sketch. So our sketch is now completed. Then now we need to exit sketch and then we need to extrude this option. So press exit workbench. So part modeling, we have entered into part modeling. Now we will select extrude option. So after selecting extrude option, so here in types we need to give, we will select the sketch. In types you can see the types, we have various types, dimension, up to next, like that. Here we will give up to next option. So after giving up to next option, just select preview, so you can able to see the extrude and then click OK. So again I am going to select this face. So we need to make one more sketch now here. So we need to make a arc and then we need to make pocket option for 40 mm. So I will select the face and then again sketch. So here I am going to make a circle. So for radius 16 mm. At first we will use projection option and we will take the edge of the part where we need to make our circle. So and then select the circle option, so you will get the center point. So now we will draw the circle and we will give the dimension. Here you can see, if you double press the dimension option, the dimension is coming. Here it is represented as dimension in pop-up window. If you need radius means you can switch it to radius. And then I will give here radius as 16 and then OK. So our sketch is finished now. Again we need to select the exit workbench. We need to make a pocket option for 40 mm from the edge. So we will select here pocket option. So select your sketch and then give the dimension here as 40 mm. So after giving the dimension, just use preview option to check whether it is correct or not and then press OK. So you can use rotate option to rotate your part model, or you need to use the pan button, means you can use the center scroll button to pan your part. So thus finally our sketch has been completed. We have converted the sketch into a 3D part model in CATIA V5. Subscribe for future CAD/CAM design for more videos and more updates on mechanical engineering design.